everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. And I want to thank all my old subscribers for their continued support. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And I really do appreciate you all, you guys. And today's video, I have a mini Christmas haul. It's just a couple items. It's one, I think Hobby Lobby and Ross, of course, always Ross. But Hobby Lobby and Ross and I think I got an item from Target and one from Michael's. But I'm gonna get started. And the first item I'm gonna show you is this. I was in Michael's. I went to Michael's because I don't even know why I went to Michael's, but you know, I always go stop there. But I was so happy to find, I have this old ceramic tree that I usually put in the dining room, and it has these little small lights. And last year, the last couple of years, I haven't been able to find these lights. And now that the ceramic trees are coming back, you know, they have the small ceramic trees now at Michael's. And so now they have replacement bulbs for them. Last year, I found some at a hardware store, but it wasn't the right one. And it was in a small pack. But this pack, well, I don't know how many you get in here. You get 50 bulbs in here for $5. So that was pretty good. So I mean, I don't know how many I'm missing, but I'm missing quite a bit. But now I know that I can get them, because maybe I should get an extra one too, just in case they start selling them or something like that. But I picked up this from Michael's, and that was $5. And I think the lady gave me 40% off. I didn't have a coupon, but she gave me 40% off on that, so that wasn't bad. And then I have this item from Target that I went in there to get some Citrical for my hubby, and I wanted to get, I think it was some Allegra or something for myself. And I just happened to see this Nutcracker. I thought they were so adorable. And it has 2018. It has 2018 on it. I'm trying to get used to this camera. It's not a new camera, but it's a different one. And it's so cute. And I have fell in love with nutcrackers and lanterns. This is my little new joy going on right now. And I thought it was so cute. The king and the queen. And it's really pretty. It's not really big, but I purchased this, and this was $10. See that? This was $10. And I thought it was really cute. And they had another one that I might go back and get, but that was, I don't think it was Santa Claus, but it had the days. You had like a little chalk that you put with the days of, I guess, countdown to Christmas. But I thought they were really cute. And so I purchased them with my other stuff. And then, let me see. I have two of these, and I think the other one is in this room because I've been experimenting with them. But these I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I just bought two white candles. I want to put this on in my foyer area. So I purchased two of these, and they were $7.99. They were $7.99, and they were half off the other day at Hobby Lobby. And they have a peppermint dream smell to them. It's not really strong too. It's not really strong, but I'm gonna put these up, and I think the other one I've been practicing. I want to do a little DIY with these, so the other one is in the other room. And so I bought two of those, and that's from Hobby Lobby. What else I get from Hobby Lobby? I might as well. Let's see. Hobby Lobby. So that was two from Hobby Lobby. And then while I was there, I got that. And I got a whole lot of picks. And they were all half price. Because I'm learning Hobby Lobby. Don't wait until it goes 60 and 80. Get scratched. Because I really wanted some navy blue stuff. That's why I went in there. And I had seen it in the beginning of the season, and when I went back the other day, they were gone. So that was it for the navy blue. But I purchased some of these poinsettias, and they are really pretty. And they were $2.99. They were $2.99, and they were all half off. I got 2 reds, and I got 2 white. But they are really pretty with the glitter, the silver, and they got like little white balls on them, and I think they are so pretty. And I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put them yet, but I picked up those, and then I picked up a couple other picks like these. I picked 2 of these, the pine cones, and these both were 99 cents. And so I got those for 50 cents. And then I purchased 2 of these, which I thought was really pretty, with the gold and the red. And I probably put these, I think I'm putting these in the bathroom because I'm going to be doing gold and red in the bathroom for my little budget decorating in the bathroom. Things I already have I've been working on. And these were $1.99. And so these was half price. These was $1. So they're really pretty though, with the gold berries on them and the green leaves. I think they really are pretty. And got that. And I think I got this one. I got 2 of these. And these were, couldn't be no more than 99 cents. Yeah, they were 99 cents too. And they were 50 cents. But they cute. And these the ones I want to go on the candles. I want to put these on the candles like this. And put a ribbon around it. For the foyer candles. So that's why I wanted something small and not too large. So I purchased those. And then this also came from Hobby Lobby. I got a Believe sign. So this was really nice. And this was, I love the colors because they were the gold and the navy blue and the cream color. So I love these colors, and I thought these colors would go good with my decor. So I got that, and this was $19.99. I don't know if you can see it. I can't tell whether you can see it. It's kind of dark. But these was $19.99. So this was half price for $10. And this is, I thought it was really nice. And I don't know if I'm going to put any lights in the back of this. But I know I'm going to either put this in the dining room or I'm going to put this in on the console table. Once I get everything out there, then I'll see where I'm going to put it. And then I have, let me see. Then I have some stuff. Let me see. This ribbon, I got this ribbon from, I bought some ribbon from AC Moore. I went in there because I believe it was after, I don't know if it wasn't Black Friday. I think it was that Saturday. They have this ribbon. It was $19.99. This ribbon was $19.99. And it was on sale for $5. So I went there just to get this. Just to get a roll of that ribbon. And this ribbon is a solid color. But it's like it looks gold, but it's really not gold. It's almost like a champagne. It's really pretty. It's the wire ribbon. And it's thin. And I purchased some of this to go along with it. I don't know if I'm going to get, I wanted to put it on my flock tree that I don't have. I wanted to purchase a flock tree from Walmart, and they are all out of stock. I can't even order it, so I don't know if it's going to come in, but I put my name on the list for it to come in. So this ribbon really was for that tree. And this is a thin piece. And this is also wire. And I thought it would go really pretty with this. And I probably get another color too, but I thought it would go pretty. If I could let it stretch out a little bit so you could actually see it. So this is pretty. I gotta learn this camera. I got another camera because my other camera keeps shutting off, and this one's shutting off too. So I gotta see what's going on. It's not a new camera. I'll be glad when I am able to get the camera of my choice. But this, I have this one, and then I bought 3 rolls. These was $9.99, and I purchased 3 of these. And I purchased 3 because they are 25 feet, and this one's 75 feet, the large one, and this is 25 feet. And I purchased because they didn't have any more, and I thought, well, they might not get any more in, so I said, well, I better just go ahead and get it and not wait until it go on sale or anything like that, because it probably, they probably won't order anymore, who knows. But so I purchased all that they had for that. And then I had some Dollar Tree stuff that I wanted to show you, but I didn't bring it in. Oh, here we go. Yes, here we go. This is all the Dollar Tree stuff that I got for Christmas. And I think, well, this is not Dollar Tree. I purchased one of the little reds. This is a salt and pepper shaker from Dollar General, and this was only $2. And I wanted to put this in one of the apothecary jars with the snow around it, so I purchased that. And I purchased 2 of these angels. I seen these angels in the early part of the season. When I went back, they were all gone. And then the guy told me that that they were last year's. But I purchased 2. All they had was 2, so I got the 2 that they had with the fur on it, the white fur. So I got 2 of those. I got 2 of these gold balls with the silver. Oh, this from the Dollar Tree. And a couple of these things. I purchased some 100% orange juice. I'm going to put these in my smoothies, and I thought that was pretty good, by Dole. And it's pineapple and banana. So I thought I'd just add this to my little fruit juices. I thought this was pretty good for $1. And I think all of them I got was pineapple, this pineapple and banana, this pineapple and mango, and this one. I love the pineapple and banana too. So I purchased these from the Dollar Tree so I can make some smoothies with that. Then I purchased, my favorite is Dove, and I purchased some, found this intensive cream at Dollar Tree. And I purchased one of those. And that's really all. Oh yeah. And I purchased these 2 sprays. Cause this one, you see how big this is? This was Dollar Tree. Green with the gold. And I mean, it's big. I purchased 2 of these. Look how big they are. I thought that was pretty neat. Matter of fact, I got these out the box. The box was laying on the floor, and I got these out of the box. So I thought that was pretty neat too. And so that is all Dollar Tree. I got 2 more items. And this here I purchased from Ross the other day. I always go in there looking at the napkins, and I found this. And look at it. It is, they said it's a centerpiece. If you can see that. It's right. It says centerpiece. And it is so gorgeous. It is gold. Let me see if I could. It's that's, I don't know, because I have a plate. I have one placemat like this. You see it? You can see that it has gold and it's silver in it. And the size is 14 by 36, so it's not really a runner, and maybe that's why they're calling it a centerpiece. But I fell in love with it. I thought it was really, really pretty. And when I got up to the register, the lady said, boy, she said, oh, that is really pretty. I said, yeah, it was buried. It was like underneath the placemat, and it caught my eye, and I just pulled it out. I said, oh no, you're going home with me. I'm not going to call myself waiting to come back because definitely would be gone. But it is so pretty. And I wish I could find some placemats like this. But I just love that. And that was, how much was it? It was $14.99. I hope y'all seeing these. It's $14.99. And that wasn't bad. It's really pretty. I used that. I'm going to put that with a tablescape. So I really like that. And then the last item I found in Ross, and they only had one, and I'm on a hunt for another one. But this is, you know, I love deer, and it's a pretty tall deer. See if I could show you how. Let's see, scoot back a little bit. See, it's a real tall deer. I don't know if I could go this way with it, but you can probably see how tall it is this way. But when I picked it up, I seen it, and I looked at it, I said, oh my God, and I just grabbed it. And when I picked it up, I guess I picked it up from this end, and I'm like, what is this? And underneath it, I noticed, you can't really see it, but I'm going to put batteries in, let me tell you, because I had to test it out. But it lights up. Can you see that? This collar lights up. I thought that was so gorgeous, and I'm on a hunt for another one. Look at this. It is so adorable. The collar lights up. And I just happened when I picked it up, because I didn't want to pick it up from the legs, because you know these deers, they break easy, especially at Hobby Lobby. So I picked it up from underneath, and I felt this thing. I said, what is this? And I looked underneath. I said, oh my goodness, where do he light up at? But I just love deer, and I think this deer is so adorable. Oh, he is so adorable. And the color, if you can see it, it's not white. It's like an off-white. And I just love the way its collar light up. So I had to try it out. So I had to put some batteries in it and see how it looked. But I just love that. I just in love with deer. So this is a really pretty color one. That is it. I don't see anything else around that I need to show you that I have. But so that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Deals with Lady P family. I would love to have you. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And I said before, that I'm going to start doing more posting in Instagram, so that when I see the things and I purchase them, I'll show you then, where you don't have to wait so long for the video, because sometimes it be accumulative or it don't be right away. So I'm going to start doing more posting on Instagram. So I thank everybody for watching. Be blessed, everyone. To be a blessing. Bye-bye. See you all on the next video.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.